functionality, beauty, transience. Even the highest quality requires maintenance. At Schüco After Sales, we retain value. We take care of the legally required maintenance of opening, sun shading and window systems, and offer a service promise from a single source. As a direct partner, we identify possible damage at an early stage and ensure that the value and reliability of your opening and sun shading units is retained by using original replacement parts and trained experts. To provide greater transparency, we digitalize the results of our checks and improvements on our clearly structured online platform. Even third-party products are maintained and registered, so that buildings which require maintenance retain their function and beauty. An in-depth analysis of the appreciation value allows us to retrofit numerous comfort and security components. As a systems provider and global player, we not only guarantee our well-known quality standards in terms of retrofitting and replacement parts, we also ensure national and international scaling of deliveries through to project planning. Driven by the appreciation of our customers, we help facility managers and building operators to maintain the function, design and security of their buildings.